Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video, we will see how to draw a sectional front view and top view for this given object. First of all, I will draw a horizontal line XY. Horizontal line XY. Now 3D view we have given and we have to draw sectional front view and top view. For this I will take 2 centimeter distance for drawing top view and for drawing front view. And draw a line for front view like this. Now find total length and height for front view. So total length is this 55 up to center, then this radius 20 plus 72 and plus this radius. So calculate total length with the help of a calculator. So 55 So total length is 55 plus 72 plus this radius as 25 plus this radius as 20. So 172. We will measure 172 from here. So this is total 172 from this point to this point. Now what we will see in front view, that these two circles, this rib, then this rib as an inclined line, then this portion as a rectangle and this bottom rectangle. So we will draw it. As we will draw from right side, so total distance this as 20, 55 and 72. So take 20 first, then 55, so this is total 55 and then 72. So this 25 we will get. Yes, exact 25. Okay. Then this height as 15 from bottom. So measure 15 from bottom on this line. And draw projection. Now this total height is 75, that is height from bottom to center line. From bottom to center line 75 height is there, and this distance is 20. So this is the vertical center line. So this is vertical center line, and from bottom 75 distance. So this is the center point. Now take 25 as radius, that is this distance. Now draw horizontal center line from this point. So take parallel to this line. Now take 25 radius. So this is the radius, and now draw a circle. Like this. Now inner circle is having diameter 28, that is radius 14. So measure 14 radius in rounder and draw a circle having same center point. Now from this there is a rib having distance 10. So draw a line and take 10 distance and draw a rib. Now measure 10 as distance. And now complete this portion. As we have to draw sectional front view, then this is portion. Now we will draw remaining portion. This cylinder or this portion will look like as a rectangle, so we will draw it. It is having, its center is having distance 55. So this 20 and 55. So this is the center line. And height for the same is bottom 15 plus 35. So from here 35 is the height. So measure 35 and draw a line. Now its diameter is given as 46 and 24. 46 and 24. We can draw these circles in top view and then also project it in front view. So we will draw this portion later. First of all, we will complete the bottom portion like this. For drawing top view, total height is 90. So measure 90 on this line. I will extend this line and measure 90 up to this. Now take projections. And complete the top view rectangle. So this is the top view rectangle. Now we will draw this center first. So extend line in center line in front view as like this, and the horizontal center line should be half of 90, that is 45. So this is as this line is not parallel to this, I will rough this line and again draw it. Take parallel line. And draw like this. Now this is total 90. Now take half of it as 45 and draw horizontal center line. Now draw these two circles having diameter 46, that is radius 23. And draw a circle. As my rounder is loose, now draw now diameter for inner circle is 24, that is radius 12. Take same center point and draw a circle having 12 as radius. Now rough this inner portion. So we have completed this. Now we will draw its projections in front view. up to this height, that is 15 plus 35. Take projections upward. Now see here the actual diagram. In actual diagram, this outer circle is having depth 35. Like this. I will complete the rectangle. And this inner circle is throughout up to the bottom. So take its projection throughout. Like this. So this is the front view. Now only rib portion is remaining. You can rough the unnecessary lines. As there is no this line, so I will rough this line. Now only rib portion is remaining. So rib is from this circle to this circle. So draw this portion. This is the distance 72. Okay, so all part is correct. Now we will draw rib. So in this way we have completed front view. Now front view is a sectional front view. So we will draw sectional front view by hatching. But before this, in top view we will see these circles, inner circle and outer semicircle. So for this, radius is 20. So measure horizontal distance as 20, as this is the point, and draw center line. So this is the center point, and now draw a circle, semicircle having 20 as radius. So this is 20. I will draw a semicircle. Like this. Now this portion is not needed, so rough these lines. Now inner circle is having diameter 20, that is radius as 10. And now draw a circle. Like this. Now we can see here in top view, this semicircular portion is connected to the outer line, but outer line is having distance less than 90. So first of all we will draw in 90 line. that is projection of these circles. So take projection of these circles in top view. As I have taken top view on XY line, so don't draw on XY line. As I have taken 2 centimeter distance between front view and top view, so I will draw XY line in middle of these two lines, that is at 1 centimeter, and I will extend my XY line. So this is XY line. Now draw this portion as 90 distance and complete this rectangle. So we have completed the rectangle. Now this inner circle is having projections as dotted in top view. So draw its projections. Like this. Now from center line 12 distance is given for rib, and this rib we have to draw having 12 distance. So take 6 above and below from center line. Total 12, and draw its projections. And this rib will appear in portion which is appeared in front view. So for this, take projection of this rib. This rib will be up to this portion. So take projection from front view of the rib and draw 12 mm rib. Inner portion will be dotted. Same like this. Now after this rib there is a 30 distance on both sides, that is 30 and 30, 30 up and 30 down. So measure 30 30. Measure 30 from rib and measure 30 on this line also. Draw a line. Up to this center line. As in diagram, up to center line there is horizontal portion and then this horizontal line touches to the semicircle like this. Now little bit portion is remaining. As this line, horizontal line, is up to this vertical portion, rib portion, so I will extend this line up to this portion. Here also. Like this. And now complete this line. Now projection of this line will also appear. So in this way we have almost completed front view and top view. Now we have to draw sectional front view. So we will do hatching. For this, take projection of this circular portion upward. Take projection of this circle here. And now do hatching. As section AB is given, so throughout all the diagram is covered in section. So I will draw sectional front view. Take same distance between all these lines. Do hatching everywhere except removed portion. like this. As this line is remaining. Now I will draw from here. As in this hole, which is a removed portion, there is no hatching will occur. No hatching will occur in removed portion. So draw hatching with little bit care. Now uppermost hatching is done. Only this portion is remaining. So do its hatching. Now only this portion is remaining. So take parallel line and complete hatching like this. So in this way we have completed sectional front view. Now give dimensions as front view and top view is completed. So this distance is 55 and this is 72. So 72 here 55 show this distance as 75 then this is 10 show it like this this height is 15 and this is 35 so show here as this is 35 and this is 15. And now show this radius or diameter having 550 and 528. So outer rectangle and inner rectangle. Inner rectangle has 528 and outer has 550, like this. Now front view dimensions we have given. Now give dimensions in top view. As this is 90, then these circles as 524 and 546. Show outside here. Now this is inner rectangle having diameter 524 and outer circle as diameter 546. Now this portion is remaining as it is inner circle is having diameter 520. Show as diameter and this outer semicircle has radius 20. So R20. So like this we have completed dimensions in front view and top view. This rib is having dimensions 12, which is remaining. So show 12 like this. Now give name to this view as top view. So top view, and give name to front view as sectional front view. As sectional front view. So in this way we have completed top view and sectional front view.